We're back at Hartner Medical Center's Rehabilitation Center speaking with Jack Durd, occupational therapist and physical therapist.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to talk about back injuries. Very common these days. What are some of the things we can do to alleviate back pain?
Well, a big thing is to probably prevent it first. And some things that we can do to prevent it would be using proper body mechanics, which include, using your legs to lift something. Okay, very common thing that people don't do. They just bend at the waist, putting strain on their back.
Just bend like that.
Exactly. You're right. Exactly. Another thing is to, if you have a heavy object, ask for help. I see it in the hospital all the time that a patient may need to be moved, and some people try to go it alone. Just stop. Ask for help if you can. If you can't do that, if you have a dolly or something that can assist you, a little rolling cart to help you move things, that's great. And it's much easier to push than it is to pull. Less strain on your back. And one other thing, just a quick reminder, is if you are carrying an object, hold it close to your body. Okay. The further away from your body, the more stress it puts on your back. So that's number one. Everybody can do this. Body mechanics. Use good body mechanics and good posture. Posture is another thing I can talk on. You're probably in class. Your teacher probably told you to sit up in class, right?
Right.
Well, she was totally correct. A prolonged with bad posture, forward head, or a flat back, it can lead to injury possibly in the future. So you always want to use good posture and body mechanics.
Does diet and exercise play a role in preventing back injury?
Certainly. Diet and exercise are big time as far as protecting your back. In this country today, we're seeing more and more obesity in our children and in adults. So it's very important to control your diet in order to protect your back. So the basic thing I try to tell people is a calorie is a calorie. If you're intaking more calories than you're burning off, you're going to gain weight. And there's no way you can hide from that. The calorie is your enemy if you take in too much in. And exercise is huge because it helps control your weight. There's so many benefits to exercise. There's several things it does. It controls your weight, which we just discussed, but many more things that consistent physical activity or exercise does. It reduces your chance of getting type 2 diabetes, which we see in even younger people these days, which we used to never see before. It reduces your chance of getting cancer. Research shows that colon and breast cancer are two of the cancers that consistent exercise reduces the chance of. It also improves your strength of your muscles and bones. Well, if you have a strong back, strong abdominal muscles, that can protect your back, right? There's many more benefits to exercise, many that we could go through all day long, but those are just a few.
Thank you. And that wraps up this edition of your ABC 31 Medical Minute from Hartner Medical Center in Alla, Louisiana. Louisiana on KLAX TV. And your ABC 31 Medical Minute from Hartner Medical Center in Alla, Louisiana on KLAX TV.
General area of dictation of what those processes are.
This has been your ABC 31 Medical Minute on KLAX TV here at Hartner Medical Center in Alla, Louisiana.